While stationed at the airport, a British aircraft experiences a huge explosion. If these plane clips have your excitement soaring, don't just watch. Hit like, subscribe, and dive into the comments section. Your likes fuel our flight, subscribing keeps us soaring, and your comments turn this into a conversation. Share your favorite moment below, and let's create an epic community together. This Airbus undergoes a rough landing, following an encounter with a negative wind shear.
Easy! Oh my flipping heck! Wow! I'm surprised that's not a touch and go, mate. Wow! That was pretty gnarly, man. Watch that back if you missed it.
This Airbus aborts takeoff by employing maximum braking, leading to the generation of smoke from the brake discs. This Boeing descends unusually close to the ground, landing well before the designated touchdown zone.
Oh my God!
Because of a technical malfunction, this Boeing is compelled to execute a high-speed landing without deploying flaps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and let me know what you want to see next.